Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Now that we've set the stage, let's dive into the real muscle of the 1970s, those unforgettable truck models that defined the era. From the engines to the styling, these trucks had it all. Let's take a look. Marketing and cultural impact of 1970s muscle trucks. The 1970s muscle trucks were more than just powerful vehicles, they were a cultural phenomenon. To understand their enduring appeal, we need to look at how they were marketed and their influence on music, film, and popular culture. What made these trucks so iconic, and how did they become a symbol of freedom and rebellion? Let's explore the advertising strategies and cultural impact of 1970s muscle trucks. Advertising strategies. Analyze the advertising tactics used to appeal to the target demographic. Automakers used various tactics to appeal to their target demographic: young, male, and eager for adventure. They created ads that showcased the truck's power, speed, and agility. These ads often featured rugged, outdoorsy settings and bold, attention-grabbing headlines. For example, Chevrolet's ads for the Chevelle SS featured a black truck with red stripes, speeding down a deserted highway. Ford's ads for the F-150 featured a tough-looking truck hauling a large trailer. These ads were designed to appeal to the target demographic's sense of adventure and desire for freedom. Some common advertising tactics used by automakers included using bold imagery and attention-grabbing headlines to create an emotional connection with the target demographic, showcasing the truck's power and performance in action-packed scenarios, featuring outdoorsy settings and rugged terrain to emphasize the truck's capabilities, and using masculine language and imagery to appeal to the target demographic's sense of masculinity. Influence on music and film. Discuss notable appearances of muscle trucks in music and movies of the era. 1970s muscle trucks made notable appearances in music and film, often symbolizing freedom, rebellion, and a carefree spirit. In movies like Smokey and the Bandit and the Dukes of Hazzard, muscle trucks were featured prominently, often as the hero's vehicle of choice. In music, artists like Lynyrd Skynyrd and the Allman Brothers Band referenced muscle trucks in their songs, often using them as a metaphor for freedom and adventure. What do you think made muscle trucks so appealing to musicians and filmmakers? Was it their raw power, their rebellious spirit, or something else entirely? Legacy of the 1970s muscle truck era. The 1970s muscle truck era left a lasting impact on the automotive world. These trucks were more than just vehicles, they were a symbol of freedom, rebellion, and a carefree spirit. Their influence can still be seen in modern truck design and performance. So, what happened to the muscle trucks of the 1970s? Did they fade away, or did they evolve into something new? Let's take a look at how the legacy of the 1970s muscle truck era continues to shape the automotive world. Modern muscle truck revivals. Look at contemporary models that pay homage to the originals. In recent years, there has been a resurgence of interest in muscle trucks. Automakers have responded by releasing modern versions of classic models, such as the Ford F-150 Shelby and the Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT Trail Boss. These trucks pay homage to the originals while incorporating modern technology and design elements. They feature powerful engines, aggressive styling, and advanced suspension systems. But what sets them apart from their predecessors? For one, they offer improved performance, safety, and fuel efficiency. They also come with a range of premium features, such as advanced infotainment systems, high-quality interior materials, advanced driver assistance systems, and increased towing and hauling capacity. Some notable examples of modern muscle trucks include the Ford F-150 Raptor, a high-performance version of the F-150 with a powerful engine and advanced suspension system, the Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT Trail Boss, an off-road capable version of the Silverado 1500 with a powerful engine and aggressive styling, and the Ram 1500 TRX, a high-performance version of the Ram 1500 with a powerful engine and advanced suspension system. Collectability and restoration. Touch on the current market for vintage muscle trucks and the hobby of restoring them. The 1970s muscle trucks have become highly collectible in recent years. Vintage models, such as the Chevrolet Chevelle SS and the Ford F-150, are highly sought after by collectors and enthusiasts. The current market for vintage muscle trucks is strong, with prices ranging from a few $1,000s to over $100,000 for rare and restored models. But what drives the demand for these trucks? Is it their historical significance, their performance capabilities, or something else? For many enthusiasts, it's the combination of power, style, and nostalgia that makes these trucks so appealing. Restoring a vintage muscle truck can be a rewarding hobby, but it requires a significant amount of time, money, and expertise. Enthusiasts must research and source original parts, repair and replace damaged components, and refurbish the interior and exterior to original specifications. But the end result is well worth the effort. A fully restored vintage muscle truck that's ready to hit the road. Some popular restoration projects include engine rebuilds, restoring the original engine to its former glory, interior refurbishment, replacing worn-out seats, carpets, and dashboards with original or reproduction parts, exterior restoration, repairing and replacing damaged body panels, trim, and paint to original specifications, and suspension and brake upgrades, upgrading the suspension and brake systems to improve performance and safety. The 1970s muscle truck era was a pivotal time for the automotive world. These trucks combined raw power with style and aggression. They became iconic symbols of freedom and rebellion. Their legacy continues to shape the automotive world today. Modern muscle trucks pay homage to the originals while incorporating modern technology. What do you think is the most significant aspect of the 1970s muscle truck era? Is it their historical significance, their performance capabilities, or something else? The impact of these trucks can still be felt, and their influence will likely continue for years to come. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.